So guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I've been busy. My workbench is just full of hexagon shaped tea light holders which I've been making. If you didn't see the video on how I made the jig for my table saw, which is just there, check that video out. Now I'll drop a link in the description. But we are in the process of making tea light holders, and during the making of the tea light holders, the fastener bit was moving around quite a bit, so I had to make a jig and everything so it didn't slide around too much. However, I thought, you know what, let's invest in a pillar drill and get this workshop set up correctly. So it's arrived today. It's upside down. In a box. So this is a Silverline pillar drill, 350 watt or drill press. We'll open the box, see what's inside. I'm hoping it's going to be okay and right, because I have had a tremendous amount of bad luck with tools at the moment. That there's bits missing, they've been opened, the boxes, and you just get a bit frustrated. On the surface it looks like it's not been tampered with, so what we can do is just get the box out. I can just get the sides, I think, make it easy with my recycle bin there. There we go. Just back to one side. So here we go. Silverline drill press, pillar drill, upright drill. There you can see it in action on the picture, and Craig Phillips again using a Makita drill, just so you know. Or is it Makita? It might be Bosch, but he's definitely not using a Silverline in that picture. So 350 watt motor, 13mm chuck, comes with a 3-year guarantee. Don't forget to register your guarantee. 588 RPM to 2650 RPM. Looks fairly decent and sturdy on the picture. Fully adjustable, so it goes up and down, and there's a nice base plate as well. So what we'll do is we'll get the box opened and we'll see what's inside the box. Has to be said, nice and compact is that. We're going to move some of this stuff as well. So if you like being creative, then this is something for you. So just get these out of the way. We've got a bit more space. Chuck these over here. These have all been made on the table saw using the jig that I made. Like I said, I'll put the link in. This. So, instructions. Colour. Okay. Instructions, first page. So what we got? Some nuts and bolts. mistaken, that will be 13 minutes. So guys, there we go. I'm just going to set this up and try it. I might need to lower it off a bit now. And just come with a plug adapter. So this is obviously a 2-pin adapter, and it has an adapter there for plug it in. So I'm just going to So, Silverline 350 watt drill press there, sorry, getting tongue tied. This is the depth gauge. Now, the instructions here was never clear on where that went. I don't know why it did that suddenly. It's like on the instructions doesn't actually show you. They're never really that crazy. You have to use a little bit of common sense. Very easy to put together. I mean, you've seen how long it's taken me to do that. Not long at all. So, like I say, get it set up now and see what it does. Simple on off switch here. Nice quiet. It's running now. Obviously I've raised my voice a little bit because I'm standing next to it. And fairly quiet. Seems to be really smooth as well. So it sounds smooth anyway. So I'm going to put a Forstner bit in it and see what happens. 42mm Forstner bit here. So I have my centre there. Lining it up with the Forstner bit. Right, all we need to do now is drill it in. Now, it's important you don't force the drill. You let the drill do the work. There we go. Nice neat machined hole there, specifically for tealights. So what you need now is a tealight to go in. There we go. Perfect. Perfect for a tealight. Job done. So there we go. That's the Silverline 350 watt drill press. Picked this up for £100, just under. I think they normally go for around 130. Very budget type drill press, but as you can see, it's done the job that I wanted it to, and it's not done a bad job at all of that. So you've got once you get your Forstner bit set up, let the drill do the work. These have to go in flat, you see, to make them work. If you try them with a battery drill, I don't know whether you saw me in the video, it did slide about quite a bit because it is quite a wide hole bit that. So I had to make a jig, which is basically this on top of that, so that it'd hold it into place. And I did manage to cut these ones again, but it's still a little bit rough around the edges, but some of these have turned out alright by doing it that way. So obviously when I place that in there, line the frost a bit up. This jig's just a little bit too big for in here now. Another good idea is to clamp the jig to the base of that so it doesn't move. I did that freehand because I was only testing it, but yeah, it's turned out alright, quite happy with that. So we'll be making a few more tea light holders hopefully. So hope you enjoyed the video, hope you got something out of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This is the Silverline 350 watt drill press. Check one out. I'll leave a link where I got it from Amazon in the description, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.